Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Maintaining the integrity of safety equipment is a non-negotiable aspect of maritime operations, and having a clear procedure for reporting lost or damaged items is essential for the safety of everyone on board. When a piece of life-saving or firefighting equipment is found to be missing or defective, the discovery must be reported immediately to the officer in charge or the safety officer. This initial verbal report is the first step in a formal chain of actions designed to restore the vessel safety status. The officer must then document the event in the ship's deck log or engine log book, noting the exact time the discovery was made and the specific location of the equipment. Following the verbal notification, a formal internal report must be generated, which typically includes a description of the damage or the circumstances surrounding the loss. If a life jacket is torn, a fire extinguisher has lost pressure, or a breathing apparatus mask is cracked, these details must be recorded with precision. The safety officer will then assess whether the loss or damage affects the minimum requirements set by the ship's safety equipment certificate. If the vessel falls below the mandatory requirements for its type and size, the master must be informed immediately, as this might necessitate a report to the flag state or the classification society. While awaiting a permanent replacement, the crew must implement a temporary risk mitigation strategy. This might include relocating a spare unit from a less critical area or increasing the frequency of fire watches in the affected zone. The procurement process for the replacement must be initiated with high priority through the ship management software, ensuring that the technical department ashore understands the urgency of the requisition. Once the new equipment arrives on board, it must be inspected for compliance with international standards such as SOLAS or MET approval before being placed in its designated station. The inventory records must be updated to reflect the new serial number and expiry date of the replacement item. All documentation related to the damaged equipment, including any disposal certificates for hazardous materials like fire extinguishing foam, must be filed for future audits. This meticulous reporting process ensures that there are no gaps in the vessel emergency readiness and provides a transparent audit trail for port state control inspectors. By strictly following the procedure for reporting lost or damaged safety equipment, the crew demonstrates a proactive safety culture that prioritizes life and environmental protection above all else. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.